Now let's install the front door speaker ambient light kit. We'll start with the front door. Using a trim removal tool, carefully pry off the upper door trim panel. Disconnect the 2 electrical connectors and remove the panel. Next, remove the 3 mounting screws. Then carefully pry off the lower door panel. Peel back the sound insulation. Disconnect the emergency door release cable. And unplug the electrical connector attached to the door panel. You can now remove the lower door panel completely. Flip the door panel over and grab the speaker ambient light strip. Align it with the factory speaker trim. Peel back a small section of the adhesive backing and begin installing it. Make sure the folded edge of the light strip is facing downward. Start from the corner, then slowly peel away the remaining backing while pressing the light strip firmly into place. Next, grab the control module harness. Connect one end inline with the factory ambient light connector, leaving the remaining connector accessible for the next step. Then connect the other end to the control module and plug the speaker ambient light harness into the control module. Once everything is connected, the speaker ambient light should illuminate. Now you can begin reassembling the lower door panel. Be sure to leave the remaining control module connector outside the panel for now. Reconnect the emergency release cable. Plug the electrical connector back in. Reinstall the sound insulation. Reinstall the lower door panel. And tighten the 3 mounting screws. Next, connect the remaining control module connector to the ambient light connector inside the upper door trim panel. Reconnect the second factory connector, then reinstall the upper door trim panel. One side is now complete. Repeat the exact same installation process on the opposite front door, and that's it. The front door speaker ambient light kit is fully installed.